This workout is called the density of a dying star. So it's going to be 8-6-4, 8-6-4 repetitions of a heavy goblet squat. And then in between each set of goblet squats, you're going to single arm farmer's carry for 16 steps on each arm. So I'll show you how the I'll show you the first round of 8 plus the farmer's carries and just explain how the workout will flow. Again, this would be a time to use the heaviest dumbbell or kettlebell that you have for the goblet squats and also for the carries. And again, a little trick when you're doing heavy goblet squats with the dumbbell, prop it up on your leg, use your leg to assist you to get it to your chest. So we're going 8 goblet squats. Again, trying to keep 2 points of contact with the dumbbell, your chest and just above your belly button. From here, I'm going to go right into 16 total steps of a farmer's carry. And then switch sides. One little trick to make it easier to count. I just count every time my left foot hits the ground, multiply that by 2. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 8 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 steps. So that really helps if you're counting to like 50 steps. You don't have to count to 50, just count to 25. That would be the one round. Rest as much as you need in between rounds. Then the next time you squat, it would be 6 goblet squats. Doing the same farmer's carry, 16 steps with the weight on either hand. And then again, 4, and then you'll start again with 8. And repeat that round of 6, repeat that round of 4 with the farmer's carries in between. And this is called density of a dying star.